All right, so as we shift gears towards messaging during a crisis, what do you think it's important for businesses to do right now with their message?
Well, there's a lot, I would say. I think that the most important thing to remember is to keep it honest and keep it clear, as I would say it at all times. But right now, it's really got to be, it's got to be honest. And I think that very quickly, businesses started to pick up on the sort of the language of the crisis. Oh, we have to pivot. And it's, we want to help you through this difficult time and all that stuff. And I think that moment was here and kind of passed. And now we're in the other side of that language. We're certainly not on the other side of the pandemic, but we're on the other side of the language, which I think is directly all about helping people through the crisis. And I think very early, we all can probably attest to the fact that very early we started to say, well, are you really wanting to help me? Or are you using that language to get my business, And I think that's what's really important. You gotta say, I want to help you with a particular aspect of your business. Is what it needs. That's what the language basically needs to do, is to say, I've thought about what you, my clients, are probably dealing with right now. And rather than just throw out a blanket like, how can I help? The messaging has to say, I bet you have this problem. Here's something I have to offer that problem.